Welcome back to the vlog on this unexpectedly sunny afternoon where I'm taking Hetty out for her first ride of the season. I couldn't resist a quick look at the old bridge in Bideford before heading out to the countryside where it's a bit more relaxing and away from all the traffic. Heading a bit further down the road, it seemed a shame not to go to Instow and see Appledore from this side. We're just about to enter the countryside, and to your left you'll see one of the leading lights that boats and ships use to enter the estuary safely. Unfortunately, having not ridden for a few months, I've made the schoolboy error of not bringing enough batteries with me for my GoPro, so this ride has been cut a little bit short. But having arrived at our destination for today, I'm just going to include a minute or two of the surroundings. Hetty looking suitably muddy for a scrambler. As we head back down the hill towards Instow, there's a lovely view of the yacht club, which is where most of the boats are moored in the summer. It's a really good spot here to watch a sunset. I think that'll do for today's ride, and now I've got to get back home to Tig to make sure he can enjoy some of this sun as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.